Assalamualaikum students, good morning and welcome to the English class. The topic that we are going to discuss today is past indefinite tense, as it is a new topic for you, so you have to be very careful while listening it. Past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense, we talk about those words that happened in our past. वो तमाम काम जो हमारे पास्ट टाइम में हुए हैं उनके बारे में हम पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में पढ़ते हैं. एंड we can make three types of sentences of any tense, whether the tense is present, past, or future. We can make three types of sentences, and those are positive, negative, and interrogative. पॉजिटिव मीन्स के पास्ट में कोई एक्शन हुआ है, कोई काम हुआ है. नेगेटिव मीन्स के पास्ट में वो एक्शन नहीं हुआ. इंट्रोगेटिव मीन्स टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, इंटरोगेट करना कि क्या पास्ट में ये काम हुआ है. एंड टू मेक एनी सेंटेंस वी नीड अ स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला. अगर आपने पॉजिटिव का, नेगेटिव का या इंट्रोगेटिव का कोई भी सेंटेंस बनाना है, यू विल हैव टू मेक अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इट. उसका एक स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए होगा. एंड व्हाट इज़ दैट? टू मेक अ सेंटेंस यू नीड थ्री बेसिक थिंग्स, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. अब सब्जेक्ट क्या है? सब्जेक्ट इज़ अ डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन. सब्जेक्ट इज़ अ डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन. वर्ब इज़ एन एक्शन वर्ब के जो काम हो रहा है पास्ट में. वर्ब इज़ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन विच द एक्शन इज़ बीइंग डन, जिसके ऊपर काम हो रहा है. और काम कर कौन रहा है? सब्जेक्ट. आई हैव गिवन सम एग्जाम्पल्स हियर टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल. ही ate an apple. He ate an apple. He is a subject. Ate is the second form of eat. Ate is the second form of eat. And one more thing, we always use second form of verb in past indefinite tense whenever we are making the sentences of past tense. We will use second form of verb in the positive form of sentences. ठीक है, जब भी हम positive sentences बना रहे होंगे past indefinite tense के, हम हमेशा second form of verb use करेंगे. He ate an apple. They played football. Played is the second form of play. She went to school. Went is the second form of go. After positive sentences, we will make the negative sentences. And what is the structure formula to make a negative sentence? You need three basic thing that is obvious, that is subject, verb and object. Subject, verb और object तो आपको हर सेंटेंस में चाहिए, लेकिन उनको किस तरह से आपने पुट करना है इन अ सेंटेंस. In the negative sentences, first of all, there will be subject as it was in the positive sentences. After that, helping verb. Now, this is the new thing that arrived in the sentences. Helping verb. Negative and interrogative sentences में हम helping verb use करते हैं. And when there is a helping verb in the sentence, we will come to the first form of verb. Although I have said that you use second form of verb in the past indefinite tenses, but in only positive sentences. But whenever you are going to make the negative or interrogative, हम second form of verb की बजाय हमने first form of verb use करनी है. Okay, subject plus helping verb plus not because the sentences that we are going to make is a negative sentence. मतलब कि कोई काम नहीं हुआ past में. After not, we will write first form of verb. We will not write the second form of verb. Whenever there is a helping verb in the sentence, when there is a helping verb, we will come to the first form of verb. And after that, the object. Helping verb क्या है? अब past indefinite tenses की helping verb is did. Helping verb is did. Examples, I simply converted the positive sentences into negative sentences like he did not eat an apple. ठीक है, did आ गया है, दैट इज़ अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो कि सब्जेक्ट के बाद लगाना है. नॉट क्योंकि एक्शन नहीं हुआ पास्ट में. ईट, आई डिडंट राइट एट हेयर. ठीक है, एट नहीं राइट किया, क्या राइट किया है? ईट राइट किया है. ईट इज़ द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. Why did I write first form of verb in the past tense? Because I said whenever there is a helping verb in the sentences, we will come to the first form of verb. They did not play football. played नहीं लिखा, यहाँ पर play लिखा है. क्यों? क्योंकि did आया. She did not go to school. After negative sentences, we will make the interrogative sentences. That is the last form of the sentence. And what is the structure formula of that? Interrogative means to ask someone any question. जब आप किसी से क्वेश्चन कर रहे होते हैं तो आप सेंटेंस के एंड में क्या पुट करते हैं? क्वेश्चन मार्क पुट करते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला ऑफ दैट? सबसे पहले क्या आ जाएगा? हेल्पिंग वर्ब. In the negative sentences, I wrote subject and then I wrote the helping verb. But in this, we will interchange the places of helping verb and the subject. Helping verb पहले आ जाएगा. Helping verb क्या है? Past indefinite tenses की helping verb is did. After that, subject is someone who is doing an action. After that, first form of verb, as I told you before, that whenever there is a helping verb in the sentence, we will use the first form of verb, not the second. And after that, object, and at the end of the sentence, we will uh, put the punctuation mark, that is a question mark. Examples मैंने क्या किया है? I simply converted the sentences that I used before into interrogative. Did he eat an apple? Did he eat an apple? Did क्या आ गया है? पहले आ गया है. He सब्जेक्ट है जो एक्शन कर रहा है. एक्शन कौन सा हो रहा है? ईटिंग का. तो eat is the first form. Did he eat an apple? Question mark. Did they play football? Did she go to school? This is all for the day. If you got any trouble while listening it, or this is all for the day. I hope you got it well. Allah Hafiz and take care.